Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to fix your Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. And in the case that your Facebook Marketplace, which is located here at the three lines, because you can see I have my marketplace. This is how my marketplace looks like. In the case that you can't actually see the marketplace, which is always located here. Because I tap on see more, it's here, the menu tabs. All we have to do is to contact the Facebook support center, or we can report a problem. I'm just going to tap on continue to report a problem, tap on include, better tap on marketplace, which is our product. Then we're going to describe our issue, which is we can't find it. And once you're done, we're just going to tap on send, and it will send the problem that we are currently experiencing to Facebook Marketplace. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.